Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna talk about how to make skincare a habit. So without any delay, let's begin. Number 1. Schedule it in. Make a specific time for your skincare routine each day and make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. I do my morning skincare routine after facing up in the morning, and I typically do my night skincare routine after I have finished all my work for the day. Number 2. Keep it simple. Start with the basics such as cleansing, moisturizing, and applying sunscreen. Then gradually add more steps as you get comfortable. Number 3. Make it enjoyable. So, for me, skincare is a form of self love. I feel loved and pampered when I do my skincare. You can play soft music while you are doing your skincare routine, so it will be an enjoyable experience. Number 4. Track your progress. Keep a journal or any habit tracking app and track your progress. That will help to motivate you to stay consistent. Number 5. Stay consistent. Skincare is a long term commitment and it takes a while to see the results. So don't you worry and stay consistent. Hope you guys have fun watching this video, and if you like this video then like, share and subscribe. I will see you in my next video.